Every strong recycled rope begins with mountains of discarded nylon. Collected waste begins its journey toward a second life. Modern recycling starts with careful handling from the very first delivery.
Each bundle is prepared for systematic recycling.
Removing contaminants protects every machine further down the line.
Sorting ensures consistent raw material for premium recycled products. Uniform sizing prepares the material for deep cleaning. Controlled feeding keeps the recycling process efficient and consistent. Clean raw material is now ready for transformation into high-quality recycled rope.
A final rinse prepares every fiber for efficient drying.
Removing moisture reduces energy consumption in the next stage. Controlled heat restores the material to ideal processing conditions.
Even the smallest metal fragments must be eliminated.
Automation guarantees consistent raw material quality. Balanced material flow keeps production running without interruption.
Uniform particle size improves every downstream process.
Fine granules create the foundation for premium recycled fibers. Clean material ensures smooth operation throughout the factory. Now the recycled nylon is ready for its transformation into high-quality rope. A steady feed is the key to consistent recycled fiber. Heat and pressure transform waste into a valuable raw material once again. Precision filtration protects the quality of every strand. Controlled cooling locks strength into every fiber. Rapid cooling prepares the fibers for maximum performance.
Stretching gives recycled nylon the strength demanded by industry.
Perfect tension keeps every strand uniform from start to finish. Individual fibers unite to form the backbone of durable rope. The recycled fibers are now ready to become high-quality rope.
Automation keeps every strand moving with perfect precision. Thousands of recycled fibers become one exceptionally strong rope.
Controlled tension preserves strength throughout the entire length.
Heat permanently locks the rope into its final structure.
Careful cooling preserves dimensional accuracy. Every millimeter is measured without slowing production. A clean surface improves both appearance and durability. A protective finish prepares the rope for demanding environments. Careful curing completes the rope's protective surface.
The rope is now formed and ready for its final precision finishing.
Every reel advances toward the final precision finishing process.
Controlled unwinding preserves perfect rope consistency.
Accurate measurement guarantees every finished coil meets specification.
Precision cutting creates uniform products ready for finishing.
Every sealed end is checked before moving forward.
Every product receives complete identification for full traceability. Automation forms clean, professional coils every time. Secure strapping protects every coil during handling. Only flawless products continue to final testing.
Now every rope must prove its strength before reaching customers. Every production batch must pass rigorous laboratory testing.
Strength is verified through controlled mechanical testing. Durability is measured long before the rope reaches the customer.
Repeatal movement reveals the rope's long-term performance.
Every detail is measured to meet strict manufacturing standards. Environmental stability ensures dependable performance in every climate. Scientific analysis confirms the integrity of recycled materials. All parameters are within specification. We can approve the batch. Agreed. The data supports release. Only certified products earn approval for shipment. Every approved coil carries proof of its tested quality.
Quality approved. The recycled rope is ready for final packaging.
Protective packaging preserves quality from factory to customer. Complete product identification ensures full traceability. Automation protects every product with consistent packaging. Precision palletizing prepares products for safe transportation.
Every shipment is secured for the journey ahead.
Organized storage keeps every order ready for dispatch. Every shipment leaves the factory ready for customers around the world.
And this is how modern factories produce high-quality recycled nylon rope from waste nylon, from start to finish.
Innovation and recycling transform discarded nylon into reliable industrial products.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.